The adapter bracket from displaybracket.com converts a 4-bolt pattern to a 2-bolt pattern or vice versa. And I'm just going to walk you through how this bracket works. In this kit, you will receive the adapter bracket, 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and then 4 flanged bolts. The 4 flanged bolts are for the back of a display that has a 4-bolt system, similar to this one, where you can use these flange bolts to attach the adapter bracket onto the back of this screen and adapt it back to a 2-bolt pattern. The adapter bracket is also capable of attaching a quick change bracket onto it. So if you already are using the quick change bracket system, you can use the quick change bracket on the back of the adapter bracket. The reason for these extra holes is just gives you extra positioning. You can have it extremely low, middle, or high using the adapter bracket. The other thing you can do also is adapt from a 2-bolt pattern back to a 4-bolt pattern. So if a piece of equipment has a 4-bolt system already on it, like on the corner post, this will adapt it obviously back from a 2-bolt back to a 4-bolt. They're available on displaybracket.com. If you have any questions, just let us know.